So in my last video I was talking about how I get paid even if I've not gotten to my $100 threshold for this channel, my African folktale channel. I get paid in the sense that when I got monetized, I was asked to create an AdSense account. I was trying to create a fresh one, but I realized that it has to be different. I was putting my name, my number, everything that is related to me, and then it told me that, oh, you already have an AdSense account with all this identification. And I realized that that's true. I actually have it for my vlog channel. So it told me that it cannot be created because I need to use another identity to open another AdSense. I cannot use a singular identification to open different AdSense accounts, right? But you can use one AdSense account for different YouTube channel. When they denied my registration, they told me that I can actually link my old AdSense account with this new one that I want to register. So because I already have my vlog channel that has AdSense account, I linked it to this my African folktale. At the point I was like, oh, so how am I going to understand the payment method since this is like two channels? For my vlog channel, I'm always going to see, okay, how much have I gotten all together, because in the end part in our YouTube Studio app, they are no more putting that bar that moves, that progress bar that moves. It is no more there. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I doubt it. It is no more there. So I'm always going to my AdSense account to check, okay, for this month, how much have I made? What's the goal? What do I need to do? Do I need to put in more work or not? And I realized that, okay, when I compare my YouTube Studio Analytics revenue with what is showing on AdSense, AdSense is more than this. And I was wondering, how is it supposed to be more? Then I remember that, oh, I actually linked my African folktale channel to this. So now I went to my African folktale channel. I calculated the amount I've been able to make in that month that I was doing this research, and I realized that when I add what I've made in my vlog and what I've made in my AdSense account, it was amounting to this. And then I realized that you can get paid when you link your two channels together, two monetized channels together, definitely two channels together, even if the second one has not gotten to 100k views, which is the threshold you have to get to get paid. Once one of your channel is having more spike, if you have two of them together and it gets to $100 threshold, to get paid. I am supposed to actually verify this like this month, but I owed my payment because I don't want to get it now. You can actually hold it by increasing the the minimum threshold to 100. The max is 500, so it does not have to be 100. 100 is the minimum, so you can increase it to 150, 200, 500. And I increased it because I want to just leave it and see I want to just see what I can do in a month to make it higher, because I don't like the amount that is supposed to come this month. It just feels like, okay, after it's too small. Do you get? So bottom line is, you can actually get paid even if you have not reached $100 threshold, but there's a condition which I've already explained, so don't feel how come. Listen to this video very well and understand it. So if you get to this point, you're a real MPV, join our growing community, because I upload practical tips that can help you grow. I hold your hand and guide you and make you know what you're supposed to do, because I have experience from 2 monetized channels. Thank you guys so much for your love so far. I appreciate it. Until next time, see you. Bye. Okay, we're going to drink black water today. Who says water does not have taste? I don't think you've tasted water. When you taste water, you know that water has taste, because you drink water and you feel this tastes so nice. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye.